You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
Iruka, my daughter, take this drink and give it to the man who is so heartless enough to steal you from us forever by paying your dowry.
Iru baby, Iru. What a wakata wabuma. Yana chi. Ibe mege. Yeah.
I will never be alive to see this marriage happen. Over my dead body.
Azuka, what's the matter with this? Stop it!
Azuka, why are you sleeping by this time of the day? I thought you went to farm. Okay, what is it? You're here sleeping. Chimo, wait. So it was a dream? Dream care? You're here dreaming. Something bad is about to happen. No? How do you mean? Hey! What is happening? Arinze is about to pay Ruka's dowry. Hey! That was what I just dreamt of now. Mr. Gineme, they're about to do something. No? Hey! To see it happen. You're going to die.
My lord, here comes the cola.
Ichie, thank you very much. Our people said, "Oh, Jeze, there's an aka."
You are very right. Arinze, I know that your blood is hot.
I can't wait.
You want to see your...
I can't wait.
So you see, in our place, when you come for something like this, we have to get confirmation first. So our daughter is getting ready. When she comes, she's going to give us permission whether we should take all these things that so don't worry. So I'm going to break the cola nut now.
Break what? Break your head! What kind of madness is this? Arinze, what is going on here? Can you remember?
See, Azuka, just calm down. Later we'll talk about this.
You are very stupid. In fact, you must be mad. Oh, you want to marry Iruka? You want to marry Iruka? Not when I'm alive. It will never happen. Omame!
Look, Azuka, live here. Live here because I don't want you to spoil what we are doing here.
Ichie, may that word remain in your mouth. Hey! Okay, no. I will not watch and see it happen.
Little baby, see that sign? You know how to tie this. Wait. Who are those shouting out there? Hey, it's true. Somebody is shouting. Hey, Ego, please go and check. Hey, You're looking so fine.
Thank you.
Emma! What is it? Mama! Okay, it's Azuka. She has started everything they are doing. She
Look at what Azuka has done. On a cover. Okay, Nikwano.
That is why you came to destroy my marriage.
Betrayer of a sister.
That is why you came to destroy my marriage.
You want to marry a prince, okay?
Your madness has gotten to this level.
Don't let us carry on this. Sister. Why do Stop.
Mama, let me die. I want to kill myself. I want to die and kill myself.
Please don't do this.
I want to kill myself and die.
It has not gotten to that.
It has gotten to it. What am I living for? No business, no shop. No shop again. Hi, let me die.
Oh, please, sister, now. Don't do this to me, please.
If I look at you,
my son, don't do this to me. Please, don't do this. What is happening? You just came back from the city. The next thing is to carry rope to hang yourself. Hey, I'm going to remove your hand.
Mama, I cannot remove it.
Look at your mother. Look at your mother, please.
Mama, no.
Mama.
If I look at your face, I will not kill myself
Please
again.
look at me.
No.
Have mercy on me.
I want to die, Mama.
Remove it from your Remove it from your neck.
Mama, leave me. Let me
Remove
die.
it from your neck. Remove it.
Oh, Mama, you are stopping me from dying. No.
Please don't die.
I will not take this. I will not take this. You see that girl? I will kill her.
It's
I will
okay.
kill her.
It's okay. She's gone. I don't know why that girl is like that.
She's a mad girl.
Alice, Papa, let's go. Papa, Papa, just calm down. Let me see how to settle this. Now the mad girl is gone. We can continue.
Yes, we can continue.
This marriage is not meant to hold. We have to go.
Papa, please, don't say that. Don't do this to me.
Look, this is an own bed.
Sir, please. It's temptation.
My son cannot continue. Even if he will, we must think about it. Arinze, let's go.
Arinze, let's go. Calm down, I'm coming.
No.
I'm coming, please.
Arinze,
let's go.
Hey, baby, I'm coming. Don't worry.
Arinze!
Papa, it's okay.
Hey! Can you imagine she called me?
Sister, calm down. You see this girl? We will deal with her. This will not end like this. Since madness runs in their family, we will show her that we know how to treat mad people. We will cure them. Yes. One kid, we have to re-strategize on how to continue this marriage. I'm going to hear a man. Because
that was just a tip of the iceberg to the real thing. Okay, Friruka, I am ready to give her however she wants it. I am waiting for her.
Nne, what you did was right. Why will Arinze do something like that?
No. Hey, Papa Arinze, fine boy without sense, very senseless. But don't worry, I will deal with the two of them.
Your sister is very, very wicked.
I'm telling you.
She must be using something on Arinze. On a normal day, Arinze will not do something like that.
Yeah.
Ogini, what is it? Who provoked you? Why is your face like this? Why is your face cuttered?
Mama, you just arrived. You don't need to know why the face is cuttered until the war starts. Okay, Firuka, tell her that I am waiting for her. She's yet to see the Second World War. She's yet to see it. I will give it to her in full. I will. I am waiting for her. Whoever that knows Iruka should tell her I am waiting for her. I am waiting for her, Mama. They don't know me.
And it has become a World War affair. I am a World War III, too soon. Coming soon.
She will embrace war this time around.
Who am I here now? I'm your sister.
What kind of nonsense is that? I won't take any rubbish. I will not. Man, I hammer off. Nonsense.
It's a sign that this marriage will not. Look at the place. She's scattered everywhere. Arinze,
Papa.
In fact, I know what to do. I'm going.
We were here when she scattered everything. We can still continue this thing.
What was her father's brother?
Papa, leave all those
He has gone.
Let's know how to go.
Papa, please, don't do this. She
Arinze.
is gone. We can continue.
Papa.
Hey!
Arinze, listen to your father. Let's go. See.
You're gonna
See, go now, okay? But I'll come back. Let me go and plan with my father, okay? I'll be back.
Hi, Chineke. Na biko na ego na nọrọzie nu ka imebe nu o.
But don't worry, we'll sleep over this matter.
Sleep over ịmụ anya nwe ihe mere ọ bụrụ mgbe ị lara ụla ka ị ga-eme.
After the first world war comes the second world war. Makogubo. Abasi your first match. Abari to match you. Makogubo. Imana abasi your first round.
Anywhere I see that useless girl, I will kill her.
Onye no love go be weta kuwisi. Oge weta kubanya. Ogobanya. Onye no love go be weta kuwisi. Oge weta kubanya. Ogobanya.
Nine. Why would Azuka do a thing like that?
But that means their fight to start again. But I thought they've settled this issue already.
Settle which issue? That Azuka and Iruka's issue. I don't think anybody can settle it. You needed to be there to see what happened. Well, I just said let me attend to play my duty as a good kinsman. Because if I don't go now, they will say, Mbakwe this, he's a bad uncle, he's a wicked uncle, he's not a good kinsman. So I have to go and perform my duty.
Papa, you don't look well. You didn't see me. And now that you have seen me, you don't want to ask question. When you were leaving this house, your son was not around. Now that you are back, you have seen your son. You can't even ask. Oh, Nna, why are you back? Is there any problem? Eh? You blanket and you're talking about other people's problem. When your son is here, you don't want to ask, why are you back?
Nine. It wasn't an easy one. No? Immediately you left, our son came back and threatening to kill himself. If not God, hey, thank God we were around. Alukali mene bata.
Akara. Hey! Onakofa! You wanted to kill yourself?
That is it. And Papa, even as it is now, I am still ready. If nothing is done about my situation, my shop got burnt. If nothing is done, I will kill myself. There's no point of living this life without a shop. I will kill myself. I'm still ready.
Nah, please calm down. Wait and listen to your father is here.
All right. Adema. Wait for me, eh? I'm coming.
Brother, you see, I told you that when Papa comes, he will solve the matter.
My dear, don't kill yourself. If you kill yourself, you go to hellfire.
Problem. As far as Papa is responding.
Don't worry.
If Papa is bringing like 2 million, 3 million, let me know.
Akara.
Papa, what is this?
Oh. You mean you don't know his name? Obi, tell him.
Papa.
Akara, it is called a rope.
What for?
Eh? You don't know what a rope is used for? Akara, do you want me to help you to tie it around your neck and use it for what you want to use it for? Or we have trees here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are many. Choose the one with the biggest trunk, and the branch that you will put the rope. Make sure it is well balanced. I will help you with a bench so that when you stand on it, I help you to kick it off.
Papa. Nan, do you know how we suffered this morning to get this rope off his neck? Oh, you want your son to kill himself?
Akara, when you go, Biko, greet my father, When you die well, oh. Greet your father, my father, that's your grandfather. The uncles, my uncles, greet all of them. My wife, as you can see, I am seriously famished. I'm hungry. But if you want to die with him, bye-bye. Then I will ask Obi to prepare my food for me. The way you are looking at me, if you also want to follow them, fine. Die with him, bye-bye. Then I will go myself to go and prepare my food. Akara, greet them for me, No, help me.
No, Papa, see what you have caused now. Papa, see what you have caused now.
Akara, you want to kill yourself?
Yeah! Akara, remove this thing from your neck. Akara, don't do this. Remove this thing from your neck. Akara!
You mean he did all that? That means that Iruka can't be trusted.
At all, Mama.
I mean, Iruka is your sister, your first cousin. How can she betray you like this?
But Mama, trust me now. Trust me. I gave it to them the way they really wanted it.
I go on.
If I really dealt with them. Can I say, Mama? I will not leave and watch Iruka get married again in this village. I will never live to see it happen. It will not happen.
Adani, Chelu, this guy Arinze is cunning. Why not leave Arinze for her?
Makageneze?
He's not genuine. Why would he want to bring problem between two sisters?
I will do no such thing. I will not. Why is Jekutota Nene? Were you not here when he first came for me? You both were here. You were here. You saw what happened. Can I get on Rapi? I will not. This is betrayal.
I'll wait for this Arinze. He's not a serious-minded young man. Omar Ife, he's just hopeless. Onyefo, he didn't suck his mother's breast. Because if he had, we wouldn't be talking about all this nonsense. And I'm sure he doesn't even eat through the mouth. Only God knows through where. He's a hopeless boy, useless.
Mama, I know Iruka. Iruka can do anything to achieve her aim. She's very desperate. That world that she wants, I am fully ready for her. However she wants it, I am ready. What about Jazweja?
War. But I don't understand that young man. Of all people, your own sister. He first came for your next thing on divert and ban. It's not a good one. It's not a good one at all. In the same family.
Can you imagine?
What? Oh, this is good.
Yes.
I am happy now.
Mama, why do you drive joy in my problems?
Arinze, I am happy. Didn't I tell you that girl is not your wife? I told you I never wanted that girl in this family. Look at Azoka that loves you so much. All of a sudden, you diverted to her sister and you expect her to keep quiet. Arinze,
we have to abort that mission. I have seen what your mother was saying.
Oh.
Let's go and beg that girl, Azoka.
That's all.
You made a mistake.
That's all.
My guy, I told you, no one will support you to do this to her. No one. See, Azoka was the woman you wanted to marry. All of a sudden, you diverted to her sister Iruka. And you expect her to be happy. It's not fair now.
Nai, I am happy now that your eyes have opened. Arinze, The only thing that will make peace reign in this family is for you to go back and marry Azuka for me. She is the girl I want you to marry. Else, I will not be happy with you.
Mama, why are you saying this? Why? Is it not my life? Eh? Don't I have the right to choose whom to marry?
No, Arinze. No. See, I will tell you the truth. If you're not marrying Azuka, you better not marry from that family.
Azuka! Where is she? Azuka! Come! Yeah. Come out here because I am ready to die today. I will die with you. Where are you? Come out! Buta! I will come inside that house. Come out here!
Here. Okay, what is the problem? Don't even ask me anything. Just carry your mouth and stay one place. Else you'll be the first person to die now. Where is that Azuka? Let her come out because she's the person that I came here to see.
Who is shouting like a mad dog? What's that? So, you think you can come into my compound with people up here? If you have strength, drop that thing. Let's have it bone to bone. Bone to bone. Drop that weapon. If you're strong, this is war.
Somebody's child. You will kill somebody's child. You will kill somebody's child. You will kill somebody's child.
Hey, woman, leave my cloth. I will kill you. I will pieces you. Look, I have one bone. Oh, maybe you don't know.
I will not leave you. I will kill you first. Oh, your son came back from the city. You could not do anything about his shop that got burnt. Before you kill my son for me, you and I will die first.
Papa, this is bad though. But this is not good at all. At all, it's not good.
What do you mean it's not good? Am I the one that burnt his shop? What do you want me to do?
Papa, is that what you're saying? Is that what you're saying? You're not the one that bought my shop. No problem. No problem.
Leave Papa.
You must
now let me
settle
do
him.
my mind.
You must settle him.
Settle him how? What do you want me to do? How do I settle him? I don't have money.
Your son's shop got burnt. All you could do was to give him rope to hang himself. Mbakwe, sorry. You heard that dog in you? You think I have not heard how you go about helping people in this village? When you know walk on that, okay? You heard him Mbakwe.
One bone, no.
Yeah.
Papa, but at least have pity on your son first. Then coming down, not giving him rope to kill himself. Papa, he did not do well.
Mejanu! Method of fire that your mother used to vomit nonsense. Idiot! People are talking, you are still talking.
Mbakwe, Sondra should also fire my daughter. You gave the other one rope to kill himself. It's obvious that you don't love my children. You don't like them at all. But before you kill them, you and I will die first. I am ready to kill you here.
Mama, no need. Leave Papa. I've settled myself. You see this thing? This is the document of that land at Amajeke. Yes, that big land. Papa, if I did not say this land, call me Muku. You know that I'm a Muku.
Don't go. Look, don't say that land.
Yeah.
Leave me. Don't say that land, oh. Don't say the land. Tell him not to sell the land.
Let him go and sell the land.
Then,
Let him
come back.
I cannot sell the land.
Woman, leave me.
I will not leave you.
Leave me. Leave me. One bone, oh. One bone. Go,
Mama, you're wasting your time. Sitting here and crying will never solve this matter. You better come, let's go and find Auntie Ruka before she injures someone. No.
But how can Mbakwe be the first to leave here when the in-laws were still here? Why would he do that?
Mama, you're asking me. Like you don't know how that man dislikes our family. He doesn't wish us well. If it were Azuka and her family now, I know he would side them. He's forever supporting them now. I'm as way. Okay. Sister? What happened? Sister? Okay, what did I do to you?
Anything.
What is it?
I'm going to confront that smoker. The next thing, her sister, even her mother, joined hands to fight me.
Hey, what did I do to you?
Maybe, just small, just get me wrong. And whatever. I'll be fine, don't worry.
Hey, sister, you didn't enjoy it?
Maybe. Just small. I didn't wound.
Hey!
What?
No, they will beat me too.
Yeah?
I do know her children will beat me today. They will kill me. So they had the mind. Actually had the mind to fight you with her daughter, useless daughter.
Mama, don't worry. Leave them to me.
No, I won't take it. More than normal. Or draw possible. Let me quickly go and change and go and meet them. Hey!
Mommy, this serious.
I will not accept it.
Mama.
Oh, the unacceptable.
Mama, leave them to me. Mama, can you leave them? Leave them. Eh? I cannot call God to come and fight for me when I know that I can fight for myself.
Akara, right?
Yes, it's Akara left. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, how are you?
I'm fine. Bros, I'm fine. I don't greet you. Are we for this one you are squeezing your face like puff?
Just forget him. Is your father at home?
Oh, yes.
Sorry. This is Akara, his son.
I want to see the man. I want to talk to him. Yes.
Oh, Paul is well.
No problem.
Well, it's not my business. People should go to his house. He's there. If you want to sell him, sell him. If you want to carry him, carry him. I don't have any business. Go to his house. He's there. As for me, I've settled myself. Go to Chief Amadi. Try to go.
That was just preamble. Obviously, personally, if I'm not going to be fighting Kakurupan.
My sister, you're very, very strong.
I believe you.
Hey. I'm not even. She's a stupid girl. By now she'll be regretting. Not fed the man. Good for her. Onokatan now, let her be about to fight how many people?
Can you imagine?
Azuka, do you think you're the only person that is mad who put hands together to beat my daughter the way people did?
Hey.
Bia. What brought you into this compound? Oh, okay, see. You have come to collect your own beating, right? Please get out of my compound.
She has come to collect her own beating.
Please, Mama Iruka, I don't have anything for you. Because thank God you met my mother at home. She's your match. Go and meet her. Nonsense.
Come back here. Am I doing it? Are you mad?
Are you dragging me?
Then walk out of me.
Shut
your mouth.
You dare slap me? I will slap you again. Next time you lay your filthy hands on my daughter.
Very good.
Yes.
I came to complain about the way you beat up my daughter. And you raised your filthy hands to slap me. In Abuala.
You are the mad Onyala. You are the mad woman clothed.
Yes.
Let me tell you, if you do not get out of my compound, what I'll do to you, you won't like it.
Very good.
So get out of here, man. Oh, you come. Shout.
sit down. Sit down, sit down. What did you come to my house to do? Why are you here?
Nah. Sit down.
Mama, which one be sit down, sit down, sit down? My frog will be. I bet tell this man to carry us come. I'm not happy here.
Who is he and why is he not happy?
Mbakwe, he's your son.
My what?
He threatened to kill me if I don't show him his father. And my people refused him from doing anything or taking anything from our place. So I decided to bring him to you. Ogini, what is it? Don't do that! Nobody should come.
Papa, why they face now? You don't check. Papa, want to wake up now? What's going this? Papa,
wake up!
Papa,
Papa,
wake up now.
What happened?
Papa, Papa, wake up!
Wake up! What did you call him the water? Get water! Get water!
Papa, wake up now! I mean, you don't get time.
Mbakwe, Ogini!
Papa, wake up!
Get water! Hurry up!
Arise, you have to cheer up. Okay, everything will be fine. Just relax yourself.
Brother, try and cheer up. Please be happy now.
Hey, now, both of you should manage this.
But this is not just what I want now. You see now balling here. I'm not just happy. You see now I want popcorn ever.
You have to. My son, you have to. Harry, tell him. Why is something like this happen? You don't know what God is trying to take you away from. You are at fault. Here, you are at fault.
Arise, you have to listen to your father. He's right. You know, in this journey of marriage, you are here before us. So listen to him. Put yourself together.
How is it my fault? No, how is it my fault? Yes, I wanted to marry Azuka, but don't I have the right to change my mind?
And you have the right to change your mind, but not in this contest. Okay?
Thank you very much. Cheer up.
Uncle, to be honest with you, this fight will never end. It will never end, though. Tell Iruka to undo what she did to my man. He came for my hand in marriage. Suddenly, he diverted. I don't know what she did to him. She should go and undo whatever she did to him. If not, we will fight till thy kingdom come. This fight will never stop.
Simple. Nani. What Iruka did is it fair? Or the mama? Onyo sikwabulia.
Ajolo, what we all should be thinking of now is how to settle this matter and not to make it worse. I wonder why you joined in the fight.
Mumapa, fight. Hey, I'm not fighting them, or rather they're the ones fighting me. Can you feel me? Yeah? It's just so painful that nobody wants to know the truth. But you know what? My daughter is here. Maybe she will tell you exactly what happened. Man, if you were that Iruka, that girl is evil.